Magnet Shopping Mall lanes, passes by Nazir Hussain University, and connects to the drainage near Darbar Sultani and Ziauddin Chaurangi. This setup has been a relief but also presents challenges for those navigating the area daily. So, what will be the benefit once this underpass is fully operational? First of all, it will significantly reduce traffic congestion in the area, helping drivers move smoothly between key points from North Nazimabad town to Gulshan Iqbal, from Ziauddin Hospital to Liaquat National Hospital, from Saifi Hospital to Aga Khan Hospital, from Asghar Ali Shah Stadium to National Stadium, from buffer zone to Husainabad Food Street, from Aurangi Town and Kati Pahadi to Husainabad Food Street, Isa Nagari. So, commute times are expected to decrease, making it easier for people to travel to work, travel to schools, travel to markets, travel to Kaka Bhavani Institute, travel to Mehman Foundation, travel to Tabahat, travel to Osman Memorial Hospital, travel to Tabahat, travel to Husainabad Food Street, travel to Karimabad Market, travel to Dupatta Gali, travel to Panaflex Market, travel to Stationery Market, travel to uh, sports outlets, travel to Dupatta Gali near Faisal Bazaar. So, this project will not only enhance safety for drivers but also provide pedestrians with better, safer pathways. Once completed, this underpass will be a major step forward for the area's infrastructure. Let's broaden the discussion to Karachi's infrastructure challenges. Funding issues, high population growth, and rapid urban expansion put pressure on the city's infrastructure, obviously. So, projects like this underpass are vital but face hurdles such as delayed funds, resource limitations, and weather related issues. Comparing this to similar projects in other cities, Karachi can learn a lot about streamlining project timelines and minimizing disruptions for residents. Looking ahead, the latest updates suggest that the first part will be completed before the others. Though no specific deadline has been given yet, if progress picks up, we may see the first section operational soon, followed by the remaining sections. Officials have indicated they are committed to completing this project as efficiently as possible. Additionally, more projects are planned for Karachi, and this underpass is just one part of a larger vision for the city's growth. So, the the conclusion, in conclusion, nutshell, that brings us to the end of today's update on the Gulberg Town Karimabad underpass. Infrastructure development is essential for any city, any country, and projects like this aim to improve life for everyone, in especially Karachi and central area of Karachi. So, guys, thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Karachi's and Pakistan development projects. Let us know your thoughts on Karachi's infrastructure development in the comments, and we will see you in the next video.